Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Global Art Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to find right keywords for your KDP low and no content book, which is really important guys, because I've already made a video talking about how to get your first sale on KDP. If you want to check that video out, you can check that video in the card section above guys. But in that video talk about the importance of the keywords, that is the 7 keyword slots that you get in the KDP book while you are uploading the book onto the KDP. So which is really important. So I'm going to talk about how to find the right keywords for your KDP interior low and no content book, and we're also going to go into the finding the category, how to find the right category for your KDP interiors, because another factor that you'll get the two categories in the KDP to target your book for the right category and all that. So if you're interested in that, now let's get started with that today's video guys. And also don't forget to hit the like button before going into the good part, because I would really appreciate that. Now let's get started with the main part of the video guys. So guys, I'm going to show you one tool which you can use and to find the right keywords for your KDP low and no content book. And also you can find the right category, because finding the right category is really important. There are many categories on the KDP. If you actually are uploading the book onto the low and no content book, you're going to find the various categories, and these categories book to be found on the KDP. So you need to have the right category to target, so that you'll be able to have a good bestseller rank, and also be able to find properly for your book onto the Amazon. So that's all about this. So now let's hop onto my laptop in a second, and I'm going to show you that exact tool and how to use that tool. So let's hop onto my laptop, and I'm going to show you that exact tool to find the right KDP keywords. So let's get started.
Into the book bolt, you can see the first slot, they have the tutorials. You can watch these tutorials to know exactly how to use their software, about various things, how to do the product research, how to do the seller research and all that. You can check these tutorials out guys if you are new to this software. Apart from that, I'm just going to go over to the keyword search and probably tell you exactly on how to use it for your KDP low and no content book. So I'm going to go to this. There are the various things guys. You can also check the products. This is a seller. If you want to see one particular seller, you want to investigate about that seller, what are the books they are selling and all that, you can check over here. This is the cloud section. I'm just going to go over to this keyword section, which I really want to search. So I'm just going to go over to the search option. Here we are. Now this is the way in which you can look out for the various keywords for your KDP book. So I think I'm gonna search for some keywords that is quite relatable. So suppose if you are targeting the low and no content book, so we are targeting the line general, and line general is catering to the Easters, because right now the Easters will going to come soon. So we are making a low and no content book related to the Easter. So I'm going to look out for the keyword specifically for the Easter. I'm just going to go over here and type the Easter line general. That's it guys, Easter line general, and just click on the OK button. Okay, boom guys, you can see there are the various different types of keywords, like the I just searched for the Easter line general, and these are the keywords. You can see A5 general line. There various types of most frequent keywords that are used for Easter line general. You can see the blank general, lined Christian, writing generals for kids line, Ecolo general, 8 into 10 line. These are the most frequent keywords that are used for the Easter line general. You can probably go out and check out for whatever book you are targeting, like whatever book, whatever niche is that. Then the antique general line. These are the mainly keywords and product guys related to the Easter line general. Let me just scroll down and we're gonna see exactly. So this one is having a high competition. Then hardcover general line large, then the hardcover general line. So these are the various different keywords, and you can check the search volume, like is it competitive or not, and whether you can target it or not. That this one, so general line pages, general line paper, these are quite competitive. General notebook line, So in this, first is the Amazon search volume. Like for this particular keywords, how, like, what is the search volume onto the Amazon? Then that is a Google search volume, and this is a cost per click on the Google. So you can see what is the CPC of each keyword targeted, and then there is the competition regarding it. Like how much is it a competitive keyword or is it less competitive, and so on. So let me just scroll down and we're just gonna see. You can see the CPC is varying over here. Like here is a $0. Let me just scroll down. So here the CPC is $2.33, and they have the Google search volume is 20. So this is the high competition. That's the hardcover line general. This one is again CPC is very low, but they have the Google search volume is at 10, but the competition is quite high. So this is the way, guys, you can choose the category, you can choose the keywords for your books. Again, the high competition, the line general is having a very high competition. The Google search volume is also high, the Amazon search volume is also high, and they have the CPC that's $1.72, and the competition is quite high. So you can target the demand by the CPC. You can check the CPC, what is the cost per click. The CPC is high, but the competition is also high, so I'm not gonna use it. And you can see the search volume is also high, so I'm gonna use that keyword which is having less competition but is having a great demand. So that's the way you can just filter these keywords over here, and you can choose a 7 slots keywords from here, guys, which is really important that you choose wisely. Now you can see the most frequent keywords. If you're just confused with this thing, then probably you just see this most frequent keywords, and you can actually go and copy paste these keywords onto the Amazon and see how many search results they have for this. Find for something else. Let me search for a planner. So daily planner, and just search. Okay, guys, so I have searched for the daily planner. Now you can see daily planner word itself, keyword, is quite competitive. So you can see 2019 daily planner has having a high competition, because it's the high competitive word. Then the 2019 planner daily, there is no data for that, but in 2020 planner, all these are high competition keywords, so I'm not gonna use them in my daily planner. I'm gonna use that keyword which is less competitive, and which I can see all these are high keywords, guys. In between you can see daily organizers and planners. It isn't having the high competition. Yeah, boom, this is the keyword, guys. Since it's targeting the 2019, you can target it as a 2021, but you can see the daily planner 2019 is having the low competition, and yeah, it's pretty much having a good search volume as well, so you can target this. But since we want to target the daily planners 2021 or 2022, so you can change the year over here. Again, these are having the great competition, you can see. So don't daily planner 2021, or I can either also go for the daily planner is 2022, because I think that daily planner 2021 and 2022 are like people are most looking for, because obviously they will be buying the planners for that. So you can see these are the very high competition keywords. I'm not gonna use them in my daily planner 2021. This one is less competitive, guys. 2021 daily planner appointment book, because since there is a good search volume, but there is no data regarding that. The 2021 daily planner, 1 page per day. Now these are quite competitive. Let me just scroll down and see. Okay, so this one is having a medium competition. That is daily Aldi planner 2020 to 2021. So, but the search volume is quite amazing, and the CPC is $0.76. So it's a medium competitive keyword. Again, there is a high keywords. So guys, you can search over here and you can find the right keywords, because we need the 7 keyword slots. And then you can just scroll down. You can see these are the most frequent keywords that are used for the daily planners. So you can probably use these keywords as well. And I'm going to show you another tool how to find the category for the KDP. So here is the last tool, that is a KDP category. So I'm just going to click over to there, and I'm just going to find keywords. So let me look for the daily planner. You can also check for the line general, or let me just check for the blank generals, because this one is also quite commonly used, and let me just search for that. Okay, so wow, guys, this was the thing. I was like quite confused when I was getting started with my KDP. I was quite confused which of the categories should I use, to which of the categories should I need to target, because there is so many categories onto the KDP and you get the facility to add 2 categories into your KDP into your book. But if you then gonna just email the Amazon, then I think they'll allow you 1 or 2 categories more to add in your KDP book, but probably ideally you are getting the 2 slots for the KDP category. So in the beginning I was literally so confused which one the category should I need to target. So you can see, guys, for the blank general they have the 4 categories: literally, collections, dairy, which you can choose any 2 and you can target for the blank general, which is pretty awesome, guys, because we often get confused on which category to use, which category to target for our book and all that. And I was also confused, guys. I was pretty confused in the beginning. But then when I'm using this keyword recently, I find that it's quite easy for me to get started with that. I don't need to be confused. I don't need to think a lot about it. I just need to go with this and type for that particular keyword and they'll just gonna list me the category. So I don't need to do that and do think about a lot. Again, thing I'm gonna use about the daily planner, because this is also one of the most commonly used. So for the keyword daily planner, these are so many categories, guys. You can choose anyone you want to do with that. If I check for the line generals, let me check for the line general. Line general is also literally collection, diaries and journals. And the non-fiction, this one can be used for, if you are making the line general for the adults, then you can target this category. And this one as well. But if you are looking out for the juvenile line general, then you can target these categories like the juvenile, non-fictional, language arts, general writing. So this is a great tool, guys, and I really want to tell you they are having a big offer right now. So I'm going to talk about their pricing, because if you want to use their KDP category finder and the KDP keyword research, then you can sign up for the 3-day trial and you can use their tool for the 3-day free trial. But later on, if you want to continue with that, then obviously you need to go with the paid plan. They have the newbie and the pro plan. Right now they are having a huge offer on their pro plan, which is a flat 50% off, which is pretty awesome, guys, because if you are choosing their pro plan, then obviously you're gonna pay $19.99 per month, which equals to $199.99 a year. But if you are using their tool right now and you are choosing their tool right now, you're getting 50% off on their 1-year plan, which is you'll only need to pay $79.92 instead of paying the $199.99, which is pretty awesome, guys. You're getting a huge 50% off right now on their pro plan for 1 year. And don't forget to use my code at the checkout, that is the GloboArte, to get 50% off on their pro plan for an entire year. Okay, go check out this tool, and if you love this tool, sign up right now. You'll get it 50% off. You're gonna get the 50% off right now if you are using it right now, and this offer is valid till 28th February only. So guys, go forward right now and sign in. Contains, guys, the keyword product research, the cover interior designer, the Amazon search volume, the KDP spy, 24/7 customer support, the puzzle creation software included. There is so much in their pro plan.
So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Today's video is really helpful to you. Leave a comment below and let me know, are you uploading your books onto the KDP? What are the tools you are using for finding the right keywords for your Amazon books? Leave a comment, let me know, because I would be able to know what you are using. Are you selling? Are you making these low and no content book or not? And that's all. And I hope you really enjoyed today's video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye, guys.